I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first concrete actions. Install JDK 11 or use Android Studio's bundled JDK, then check Java version to ensure it's active. Once done, download the Android Studio stable installer for your OS and run it. While it installs, enable CPU virtualization in BIOS or UEFI so the emulator will run. Make sure you have at least 8 GB RAM available. Low memory will slow builds dramatically, so free resources before you continue. Next, configure the SDK and virtual device so you can build and test. Open SDK Manager and install the SDK platform tools, and the matching build tools for your target API level, then accept licenses. Once installed, use AVD Manager to create a virtual device. Pick a Play-enabled system image and allocate 2 to 4 GB of RAM depending on your machine. Then set your Android SDK path in IDE settings and add SDK Manager and a DB to path so command line tools work consistently. Finally, create your first project and resolve common issues to finish setup. Choose Kotlin or Java and a sensible minimum SDK based on device targets, then let Gradle sync. If builds are slow, enable Gradle offline mode or tweak daemon and memory settings in Gradle. Properties to improve performance. If dependency or build errors appear, clear the Gradle cache and use file invalidate caches and restart. One quick troubleshooting tip. If the emulator won't start, cold boot the AVD and reinstall Haxum or enable Hypervisor framework depending on your OS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.